Hey, good morning, students. This is Mr. Short. Today is Monday, February 15th, and this week we're actually going to propose our own app. Last week we talked about how we use computers and applications to help us solve problems by using those in the problem-solving process. This week you guys are actually going to be able to propose your own apps. Okay, so our objectives for this week, students will be able to identify and define a problem that could be solved using computers. Students will be able to design an app that inputs, outputs, stores, and processes information in order to solve a problem. All right, so for our warm-up this week, so you're going to be taking out a scratch sheet of paper, and I want you to write down as many apps. These are apps that you'll find on your Chromebook, a laptop, or your phone. Write down as many apps as you can think of. Beside each app, I want you to write down the problem that each one of these apps helps solve. Okay, because if you think about it, that's really the thing that apps do. They help you solve a problem. Just some examples. I'll pull my phone out now. Some examples of some apps that I have on my phone. I have a banking app where I can go in and look at my bank account. So it helps me. I don't have to. If I want to know how much money I have, then I can just log into that app. Some more apps I have on my phone. I have let's see. Netflix app for entertainment. I'm bored, so that's the problem. So I can watch Netflix. Another app, I have an Uber app. So if I'm somewhere and I need a ride somewhere, then I can just use my app to get an Uber. So these are all kind of different problems that we are using computers to help us solve. Okay, so that's going to be your warm-up activity for today. All right, so the project you're going to be doing this week for my Cohort A and Cohort B students, you'll be working with a partner to do this project. For my remote students, you guys can work with anyone in your home. You don't necessarily have to have a partner to create an app, but if you want to, you can work with a parent, a sibling, a friend, whoever you want to help you with this project. Computer science is an extremely powerful tool for solving real-world problems. For this project, you will combine what you've learned about the problem-solving process and the way computers work in order to propose an app that could help solve a real-world problem of your choosing. Okay, you're going to work with a partner, define a real-world problem, brainstorm ways an app could be used to help solve that problem, identify the inputs, outputs, storage, and processing used by your app, share your ideas with another group for peer feedback. Incorporate feedback to create a final version of the app and create a poster of your app to share with the class. Remote students, you can work with a parent or guardian at home, is what I had said just a few seconds ago. All right, so just a breakdown of what of the steps of this project. Okay, so you're going to find a partner. Remote students can be anyone at home. You're going to brainstorm problems, brainstorm interesting, personal, and relevant problems. Some things that you might think about are things that you would like to improve in your neighborhood, schools, and communities. A task in your everyday life that you would like to be completed more easily. A cause that you feel strongly about, or something that is currently inconvenient or annoying to you. Those are problems that you could write about. You can make your project about. Okay, 3, you're going to choose your problem. Work with your partner to decide which problem you would like to address. Consider the following criteria. Both of you need to be interested that needs to be a problem that you're both interested in. The problem is well defined. You're able to specify exactly who the problem affects, what needs to change, and how you are able to tell if the problem has been resolved. And then some aspects of your problem can be resolved using computer science. Okay. Number 4, define the problem. We know what that is. We've done that. We've talked about defining a problem. Who does the problem affect? What is the problem? How will you be able to tell if a solution to this problem works? Okay, number 5, the app. You have to come up with a name for your application. And then you have to be able to tell me what your app actually does. Number 6, input, process, store, and output. You should be able to briefly explain how the 4 parts of a computer impact your new application. 7, finalize your application and design a poster. The following should be on your poster: the name and logo of your app, who is your target audience, so who's going to be using this app, the problem the app is designed to solve, the input information that the app uses, the output that the app produces, and a description of how the app processes and stores information. And then finally, on number 8, you're going to present your app. You and your partner will present your application to the class in a brief 2-minute presentation. Remote students are able to do this by either emailing me a picture of their poster or emailing me the answers to step number 7 above. Okay, so for your remote guys, you can take a picture of your poster and send that to me, or you can send me an email answering the 6 parts of number 7, finalizing the application and design poster. Okay. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this week. We're going to spend most of our time working with our partners and proposing this app. And then Cohort A, you will present on Tuesday in class. Cohort B, you will present on Friday in class. Okay, remote students, you have till Friday to send me either a picture of the poster or an email answering number 7. Okay. If you have any questions about anything, please feel free to call me. Progress report's going out soon, so I'll be uploading or updating grades. So, again, have any questions, give me a call. Have a good week. Thanks.